Hello guys, my name's Namrita and I'm another co-founder of Grandkids, How Do I? And I will be teaching you how to use Spotify. Google.com or Yahoo.com, anything works. So you're going to go ahead and type in Spotify login. And once you type that in, you'll get to a screen like this. And you're going to go ahead and hit the login Spotify, the first thing that pops up. And then if you have an account, log in with that. If you don't, you can go ahead and we're going to learn how to sign up for a Spotify account. So you're going to put in your email address. You're going to confirm that email address, create a password. Some computers create their own passwords. You can use that, or you can just create your own. And then you can create an account name that will show up on your Spotify account page, your birthday, your gender, and then you're going to do this quick I'm not a robot little questionnaire, and then you are all set to go. If you want to learn more about their terms and conditions of use or privacy policy, they're all listed over here in case if you want to be safe. And also, you can hit the sign up button and you should be ready to go. So once you've created an account, your Spotify page will look something like this. Let's go to the home page. You'll have various types of music. Obviously, you can tell mine vary from this generation pop culture. However, Spotify holds music from various different generations. And so let's go ahead and search music. I was thinking of maybe some Michael Jackson, so Thriller. So once you hit on Thriller, you can listen to it. You can listen to other types of music by him. And if you really like a music and you want it to be added to your favorites list, you can just hit this heart-shaped icon. Once you hit that, it'll be to your liked songs. You can also go to your albums, which will show us the various different types of music you listen to, artists or specific artists you're listening to, recently played. So if you forgot a music you played yesterday, that should be saved in your recently played list. Also, Spotify gives you recommendations based on your preferences. So if you're someone who really likes country music, it's going to keep recommending country music to you. And then Spotify also offers radio services, so you can listen to podcasts, radio stations. You can also browse various different types of music, podcasts, brand new music, old music, different categories of music. So country, holiday music, hip hop, rock, everything is there. And then if you have a bunch of albums, they're down here as well. You can create a new playlist. And if you have a premium account, which is like a monthly subscription, you can play music from wherever, whenever, if it's downloaded on your Spotify account, or you can play music on data with no advertisements. However, if you choose the free option, you won't be able to select specific music, but you can select radio stations that will play music that you like. And however, you can't skip the advertisements. You only get a certain amount of skips, I believe. But it's still music and it's still great music. So that is it for the Spotify account. Thank you so much for watching with us, and we'll see you in the next Easy Tech tutorial.